want to show you an excellent drill that's going to really boost your cardio. So let's go. So the drill I want to talk to you about today is called a Tabata drill. So this drill is what we call a high intensity interval drill. So high intensity interval training. So basic Tabata drill is 20 seconds of exercise, 10 second break, 20 second exercise, 10 second break, and we continue like this for 8 rounds. So 8 rounds is the basic Tabata. Of course you can do more rounds if you like, but 8 rounds with high intensity is 4 minutes. So it's an exercise of 4 minutes and it's already quite good. So let's see a little bit what is it in practice. So to do this kind of drill, it's very good to have a timer. So I have a boxing timer in my on my application on my iPhone, and I can use this. I can preset the number, the minutes of exercise, how long I want to do the exercise. I can preset the break. So it's a very good application that you can download for free. Mine is called something like boxing timer something. So what I've done already, I program my timer for 20 second exercise, 10 second break, 20 second exercise, 10 second break. I program my timer for 8 rounds. So what I'm going to show you, I'm just going to show an example of just 2 rounds for now. So I'm going to choose 20 seconds of burpee and then 10 second break, and I will continue with next exercise with 20 seconds of shadow punching. So I'm going to start my timer, put my start timer somewhere on the floor, and I can press start. Timer is going to start, and I'm ready for my burpees. And I go. 10 second break. And next I'm going to do shadow punching. Okay, I stop here, and of course I'm supposed to continue like this for 8 rounds. So I just show you today two combination of 2 exercises. It was the burpee and the shadow punching. So you can do like this with only 2 exercises of 8 rounds. You can also do 1 exercise, only the burpee. For instance, you do every time you do 20 seconds of burpee, 10 second break, 20 seconds of burpee, 10 second break. You can do this on the same exercise. It's also very good for the cardio. Or you can combine different exercises. You can also combine a cardio, like burpee, and after the break you can do push-up, power drill, or sit-up, or squat, also okay. If you have a pad at home, you can hit the pad, hit the bag. If you have a heavy bag, you can strike the heavy bag for 20 seconds. And then after you can do 20 seconds of burpee or push-ups. Basically, all kind of combination you want. It's okay as long as those combinations you do them in an intensive way. So if you do push-up, try to do push-up fast. If you do sit-up fast. Don't go too slow. Okay, you need to make your heart rate high. That's the idea of the high intensity interval training. So again, it's an excellent drill to improve your cardio. This is really something that, especially for what we do in the martial art and Krav Maga, you're not going, I mean, it's good to have more endurance, of course. So if you can sometime, if you have the chance to and the time to do 40 minutes of jogging outside, is great. But for us, it's even more important to do those high intensity drill, because when you have to fight in the street, it's not so much about endurance. You need to be explosive, only a short time, few minutes, but for those few minutes, you need to be 100%. So for us, for what we do in martial art and self-defense, is excellent. So that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'm looking forward to see you guys in class. Bye bye.